Hey guys, I'm going to show you this beautiful new home in Woodland Hills. If you're a home buyer looking for a great house to live in that's 3,100 square feet, has 5 bedrooms, and is the perfect family house for you to live and grow your family and have amazing memories, this is the house you're going to want to check out. So we're on Ellen View in Woodland Hills. I'm going to show you this house. It's in really good condition. It's been lovingly maintained by the current owner for 51 years, and it's a beautiful house. So we're on Ellen View, and the reason it's called Ellen View is because you do have a view. If you can see behind me, the street kind of comes up and goes down, so you got a view of the Santa Monica Mountains that way, and then I'm going to swing you around here and show you that you've got beautiful views of the Santa Susana Mountains in the background. It's a beautiful day. We've got clouds. So when you pull up to the neighborhood, you like it. It's quiet. There's a lot of really nice homes around. That's the house behind me that I'm going to show you. This is the 3,100 square foot model. There are multiple homes like this one built in this neighborhood. It's a great floor plan because it's got 5 bedrooms and 3,100 square feet of living space. There's 4 bedrooms up, 1 down. It's a great family house. So if you're in the market right now looking for a home that has good size and space that you can grow in and have a guest bedroom or an office, you know, this is going to be a home that you want to check out. And there's views from upstairs, which I'll show you. So yeah, let's go take a look. All right, guys, so here we are, our new listing on Ellen View. This is, again, been lovingly maintained for 51 years. It's in beautiful condition. I love it's got an olive tree right over there with just a little bit of landscaping touch. Your curb appeal's done. Maybe paint the mailbox and you're done and just move in. 2-car garage, as you can see right there. It does have direct access to the house. And let's take a look. Again, as we talked about in the intro, you've got really good, beautiful views of the Susana Mountains there in the distance. You're looking at Chatsworth up there. So you got good access to the 101 freeway to get wherever you want to go. There's all sorts of stuff. There's great retail down on the other side of the freeway. You've got West Hills Little League, AYSO soccer, all the stuff that you could possibly need for your family, and great schools, Hale, Palmello, El Camino. Yeah, so just a great location. All right, so here's your entry. As you can see on your left, you've got a nice little planter and flower bed, this lighted walkway that takes you to the entry of this home. There's another planter that you can see there. And again, I just love this beautiful olive tree. Olive trees are very European and just give a really cool kind of natural Mediterranean style vibe. All right, so here's the front porch, double door entry as you can see. Now the first thing when you notice when you walk in is this entry, which has high ceilings. And as you can see, a view of the staircase. It's light and bright. It's got the glass windows on the doors, which floods the space with natural light as well. So in the mornings, you get a lot of light pouring in here. So this room over here is the living room. There's a 5th bedroom there, and then this way is a powder room, which I'm going to show you. So you've got a coat closet there, and then here's a lovely powder room. It's fun. You know, it's got black 8-inch by 8-inch tile floors, clean tile counters. This is probably a travertine, custom mirror. So really lovely, and then around the corner is your loo. So really great for guests, and this house entertains very well. I'm going to show you that in a minute. So here's bedroom 5 downstairs. It's currently set up as an office. This could be your private workspace where you kind of retreat from the rest of the house because you've got the 4 bedrooms up, and then the main family room and the kitchen area is on the other side. So being in here and getting your work done could be really great. This could also be set up with a Murphy bed, or you can just make this a flat guest bedroom if you have in-laws, because it also has a 3/4 bath. This is a closet there. As you can see, it's got a picture window, beautiful view of the olive tree. There's another closet, so there's 2 closets in this room, and then here's your 3/4 bath. So you've got a beautifully tiled vanity, travertine floors, and then you've got your standing shower. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the formal living room. So I've been to gatherings here in this home, and you can see it's got a lot of space. It's currently outfitted with retrofit LED lighting, so it feels clean and modern. It's got a beautiful stone fireplace over there, which I'll show you in a second, and then sliding doors out to the patio. So it has room for a piano. I mean, this is a very large space that's perfect for entertaining, hanging out, relaxing, social gatherings, whatever you'd like to do. So lots of space in here. Here's the stone fireplace, which is really, I love it. I love it. It's got this modern kind of look to it with a traditional mantle which is really pretty. And then here's your view to the outside, so you can see the pool. You've got these plantation shutters there, and then view of the hillside behind. So interesting. This could be, you could do a lot with this space. You know, today's modern families, you know, they may not want to entertain as formally as they used to. So you could put a barn door on there and turn this into, you know, a big media room, you know, play area for the kids, whatever it is that you want to do, or leave it exactly the way that it is and have it as a formal space for your family and friends. And then if you're a scratch eater, if you love to eat and hang out, this is the dining room. This is the formal space. I'll show you, this is the entry here. I remember when I was a kid, I used to go over to my papa's house and we would have amazing meals. It was always Chinese. It was either Chinese or Baronis. So funny. And I remember just being in the dining room. Gosh, I must have been 5 or 6 or 7 years old, just having a ball with my mom and my dad and my papa and Pearlie, and that was fun. So lots of memories. This is the staircase going up here, which I'll show you in a minute. And then so this is basically the main part of the house where you're going to spend most of your time. It's the kitchen and the family room. It's super light and bright. Forgive those lights for not being on. I couldn't find the switch, but we'll figure that out. So you got clean kitchen with loads of storage, and it's got a window that looks right out to the backyard, which is great. So if you're hanging out and the kids are swimming in the pool, you have a really good view of them right from the kitchen sink. So that's great. You've got a nice 6-burner stovetop here, which is actually in really good shape. I haven't turned all the burners on. I'm assuming they're working. You've got your Vent-A-Hood range. Pretty sure you can just get to using that right away. And the one thing you'll notice when you look through the house, everywhere you look, it's immaculate, right? So they've like really kept, you know, there's gonna be a couple cracks or marks here and there, which is obviously to be expected, but it's really well cared for. I didn't even clean this house. Usually I come in and I have to do a really big cleanup, but it's in really good shape. Double oven over here, and then here's a pantry. So this is a great feature that the chefs and you're gonna absolutely love. So you have this huge pantry. You've got all this shelving here, and then it even goes around the corner. You got more shelving there. And then you've got more shelving over here, and then you've got storage. They've got their luggage. So this is a great space right here. You're gonna love how it connects to the kitchen and just makes it easier for you to get your meals prepared and have your family gatherings. You can throw your food here on the bar and people can watch the big game. So there's the family room. I'm gonna show you another angle of it. This is a spacious room. As you can see, it's got sliding doors that flows to the outside, and it's got room for a massive flat screen TV right there. This is probably a 70+ inch TV, so that checks all the boxes. You're right here in the family room. You can put a big sectional if you want here, semi-open to the kitchen, which is great. You don't want it to be too open, right? And then over here in the corner, you've got like another eating area there, which you can have meals and watch the game or play cards. And to wrap up this space, which is super cool, you got this beautiful bar, and it's in great shape. Took really good care of it. I'm guessing they changed the countertop at one point. Really nicely done. I'll show you in there. And then this is direct access to the garage here, which I'm not going to go inside because it's got a bunch of stuff in it. And then here is your, you got a liquor cabinet right there. And then you've got a sink. And you even have a built-in blender, a new tone. Everybody remember those? Oh yeah, margaritas, baby. All right, and then of course when you're in here relaxing, you got the view of the family room and out to the backyard. All right, so before we go to the backyard, I'm gonna show you upstairs. So the floor color in the house is great. This is I should have told you that or showed you that earlier. This is a really nice maple, probably an engineered. It's gonna be real wood on top, so it will get, a few nicks and stuff here and there, but overall is in beautiful condition. That's one thing you do not need to do when you come in is change the floors. The floors are done. Pretty much everything. I mean, you can paint, you can do a few things to, modernize however you want to do it, but overall the bones of the house are super, super clean. So 4 bedrooms upstairs. Here's bedroom number 1. Again, light and bright and spacious. This is a queen size bed. There's room for end tables on both sides. You could probably still fit a desk here if you wanted to. And then you've got picture window right there that shows the olive tree. Bedroom number 2 upstairs. This is a slightly larger. So as you can see, they both share the same wall along the back, But where this one ends here, this one's about another 4 or 5 feet maybe. Spacious in size. It's currently set up as a game room. It also has high ceilings. You'll notice the ceilings go up towards they're gabled to match the roof. And then here you go. So you've got this really great bedroom, which is currently set up as a game room. If you've got 3 kids and they all want their own bedrooms, boom, check the box. If you've got 2 kids and you want them to have a playroom, there's your view out to the pool, and there's a pool down below, which I'll show you in a minute. So again, if you have 2 kids, this is gonna be a great homework area, playroom. Their buddies will love to have play dates. That's one thing that you'll love about this house, right? Everyone's got the same options of maybe buying a little bit smaller but a more done house. Having an extra space for your kids to go to and play and have play dates with their buddies is a very valuable space. So I'd go for this home because it's in really good shape and I can update the bathrooms the way that I want. And it's got the extra space for my growing family and office and all that good stuff. So another picture window and then another closet. So this was bedroom 3 upstairs, and then here is bedroom, well, let me show you the bath. So this bathroom here services the 3 bedrooms that I just showed you. It's ultra clean. It's got some updates with this really nice travertine flooring that probably doesn't need to be touched. And if you want to give this a little bit of a facelift, you know, coming up with like a cool custom paint color, leaving the countertops, it's like kind of this original cultured marble, but I've seen this style of veining and marbling in really high-end homes. So the fixtures have been changed. You know, you can change up the vanity if you want. This full mirror is kind of how they used to do it back in the day, but you could just paint here and then have the bathroom feel a little bit elevated. Here's your shower. It's fully tiled, including the ceiling. And it's got this little bench here, which is very convenient. Super clean, guys, like ready to go. You can just literally bring your toothbrush and move on in. And then here is a soaking tub for bathing the kiddos, which is fantastic. So if you've got little ones, this is where you're gonna be doing your bathing. And again, it's like super clean and ready to go. All right, guys, last but not least, upstairs is the primary retreat. You're gonna love this space as well. It's elegant, it's light and bright. It's got this, you know, creamy color paint that's really relaxing. And as you can see, it's got the picture window, which brings in a lot of natural light. 2 walk-in closets, which you're gonna love. So there's one here, and then the second one is over here. So this is a luxury that's kind of hard to find. I've got a 4,000 square foot house, and I only have 1 closet. So each having your own closet is a nice feature. Here's another view of the bedroom, and as you can see, there's room for a flat screen TV on the wall. And then here is the primary bathroom. You've got shower separate from the tub, and then you've got a dual sink vanity. All right, guys, I'm gonna take you to the backyard and show you the rest of this house. All right, and then so to the backyard we go, guys. So first thing you're gonna notice when you pop out here is you got a lovely outdoor entertaining space that's covered by this pergola, which looks like it's in really good shape. Like I said, everything around this home feels like it's in really, really good shape. So this is perfect for alfresco dining, having meals with your family and friends or hanging out on a weekend. Gosh, I'd sit out here, and it's also got a really nice view. It's kind of hard to see. Sorry about the noise there, but you can see the Santa Susana mountain ridge line out there in the distance. As you can see, there's lots of deck space. Kids can run around the pool if they want to, or ride their bikes or trikes, whatever they want to do. You have a sparkling pool. I like how it's on this side of the property, so that way you have hard surface space over here and room to kind of move around. The pool is in really good condition. I've seen a lot of pools, and it looks like it's like totally serviceable and ready to go. Plaster looks like it's in good shape. As you can see, it's got a pool cleaner. Again, the house is just impeccably maintained and cared for, which you can see. Here's another view of the side of the property here. So you've got room for your loungers over there, and then here's a view of the back of the home. All the windows have been replaced in the house. I believe they're dual pane. I don't think they're original. I think they were all redone at some point. I'm gonna just double check. Yeah, these are dual pane windows. So dual pane windows, heating and air has been updated over the years. The roof has been updated over the years. You'll definitely want to check all that stuff out, but overall this house is in really great shape. Guys, come check out Ellenview. You're going to love this home. It is move-in ready and perfect for your family for many, many years to come.